So today we're going to learn how to make mango sticky rice. Hey everyone, welcome back to our final episode of our 5-part cooking series here in Thailand. Again, we're back at the Sukho Cuisine Cooking School, and if you guys haven't seen already, please check out our playlist in which we show you our Thai food market tour. We also will teach you how to make Thai shrimp rolls, an authentic pad Thai, and a PANANG curry. All the links to the episodes are going to be in the description down below. Let's go ahead and get started with our mango sticky rice. Today we're learning from Master Chef Pak, and he's actually explaining here that the rice for the mango sticky rice needs to actually be soaking in water for almost 3 hours before you want to start. For today, we're going to be using a bamboo steamer above a pot of boiling water. Now, if you don't have this at home, you can actually use a rice cooker as well and use that steaming features on there. All of the ingredients, equipment, and the full recipe can be found down below in our description. Now we're going to start with the rice that's been soaking in water, and we're going to place it on top of the steamer and go ahead and cover it with the lid. While we wait, let's enjoy a beer. After 10 minutes of steaming, we're going to go ahead and remove the lid and just break up the rice a little bit. Place the lid back on and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. While the rice is cooking, let's go ahead and prepare the sauce that's actually going to go incorporated with the rice. We're going to start by pouring our coconut milk in a medium-sized saucepan, bringing it up to medium heat, and adding our sugar and a little hint of salt. Once everything's in, give it a nice stir until everything is fully dissolved. After all the sugar and salt is dissolved, let's turn off the heat completely and then add in our rice. This is the part where you want to mix everything thoroughly and remove any of the big clumps that are naturally formed. Once it's mixed thoroughly, we're going to go ahead and put the lid back on and just let it hang out for a little bit so that the rice can absorb all of the nice coconut liquid. Meanwhile, let's make a separate coconut sauce that we can pour and drizzle on top. So to make that sauce, we're going to go ahead and pour again some coconut milk, a little bit of rice flour, and simmer it on a nice medium heat on a pot. If you constantly stir, this is going to prevent the rice flour from making any clumps. Once the sauce is thick enough, you can pour it into a small glass and then have it ready for serving. It's time to plate our sticky rice. Let's go ahead and get a small little bowl, and we're going to use that to create a nice mold for it. Now that's going to help with our presentation. So if we flip it over and we gently shake it out, it'll give our mango sticky rice a nice little presentation. Let's move on to the actual mango. You can use any kind of mango, but traditionally here we use a BARRACUDA mango. It's a very, very sweet varietal, and it's actually sweeter than most mangoes in my opinion. So what you want to do is slice it vertically right above where the seed is in the middle. And then once you have that slice, we're going to go ahead and very, very carefully use a small paring knife preferably, and you want to slice it diagonally. All you got to do is once you have the slices, just fold it out and there you go. We're going to garnish with some sesame seeds and that coconut sauce that we made on the side, and boom, ready. With a little bit of planning ahead, this is an easy and refreshing dessert that you can make at home. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button as it would greatly help us out on our YouTube algorithm. If you want to continue to follow our culinary adventure, please subscribe to the channel as we're going to be posting videos on here weekly. And as always, dish it all out in the comments as we really want to hear from you. Let us know what recipes you'd like us to cover and what you need help with in the kitchen. So, see you on the next one.